2 months.
And 1,500 trade-in assistance. That's an extra 1,500 for your trade.
I'll take it. Now, what about credit? I'm a mistake.
If you bring home $350 a week, you could get up to $25,000 in credit. 25 grand.
It's good to be out again.
One dime down. Trade assistance, 0% financing.
And there's credit. I'm a mistake. Only at Route 6. Route 6 Automall Kia.
In Swansea.
Route6automall.com. Route6automall.com.
Plus tax tag and fees to qualified buyers.
It's more important than ever right now to reach out to your customers and let them know what your business is doing. So if you've updated your delivery options, created an online store, or just want to remind them how to reach you, advertising on the radio is the best way to do it. Go to iHeartAdBuilder.com to create...
That's a magic girl. Country can't work. Element will whip it. October 31st. Well, darn it, you know what I forgot? I forgot to go to the Johns Hopkins website. But I've got to stand in, but I've still got to go to the Johns Hopkins website. I just forgot it. I got up out of here. I went up in there to do some stuff in the kitchen. I came back in there, said, and it just totally slipped my mind. But I have something that will get close to it. Worldometers is another website that's tracking all of this. But their numbers are kind of screwy in the sense that they're not reporting total numbers of cases. But for what they are reporting, it's a great indication nevertheless. Worldometers says the number of U.S. recoveries is 1,519,201. I'm going to try to make that simpler by getting rid of a bunch of numbers. 1.5 million recoveries out of 1.7 million hospitalizations. So that's a pretty high number of recoveries. Now, it wouldn't be if they're counting all cases, which worldwide is 3,440,000, but we're concerned about the United States. So I'm not the best guy with numbers either, even when I've got a calculator. But I'm figuring that these numbers,